to the sum of two non-zero integers. So non-zero integer is a positive integer that does not contain any zero in its decimal representation. Given an integer n determined of two integers a, b, where a and b are non-zero integers and they sum up to n. The discussion is rated so that there is at least one valid solution. If there are many valid solutions, you can return any of them. So n is till 10 to the power 4. So in order to solve this problem, we can directly brute force over all the pairs. So let's brute from 1 till 10 to the power 4, right? And j will be equals to n minus I. Then we said if I and j sum up to n and 0 is not present in I, right? And 0 is not present in j, right? So if both I and j are non-zero integers and they sum up to n, then we are done, right? We can return I comma j, and let's return 0 comma 0 again because this will never be reached. So as you can see, the sample test cases are passing. So let's try to submit the solution. As you can see, we have passed all the test cases. So thanks for watching.